Now, if we go to Japan, what's interesting is all copyrightable data is allowed to be put into AI. And I'm using big general terms. They have rules, boundaries, and practices that make this work a little bit better. So in Japan, it's just considered generally that you can take it. But if that impacts, like big companies, Ultraman, I imagine, might not allow that. It's allowed to go in, but if somebody put out an Ultraman image, I'm pretty sure the Japanese courts would do the same thing the Chinese courts did. But by not preventing it, they're not encouraging people to do this. They're encouraging the learning, the training, because their approach to AI is what's called a community approach, that this is an evolution approach to creativity, that what somebody creates and somebody creates years later, all along the line, that's a timeline, an evolution back to the idea and how it's iterated. It's almost like a software development. Now, no one's saying if you got your copyright taken, you have materials that were taken in Japan, you have ways to go to court. But even if you don't have lawyers, they have a mediation and arbitration, which isn't perfect, but allows somebody to get their case out there. So there is protection. It's not like they're saying to creators, go away, just do this.